Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home cleaning solutions. Today, we're thrilled to present our top picks for the top 5 best cordless vacuum lightweight cleaners 2-in-1 handheld for hardwood floors. Keeping your hardwood floors clean and spotless has never been easier with these fantastic 2-in-1 handheld cordless vacuums. They offer the convenience of a lightweight design and the versatility of a handheld, making your cleaning routine a breeze. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 picks. Number 5. Fabuletta FSV3 VC2 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Fabuletta Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has received high praise from users for its impressive performance and user-friendly features. This sleek and modern vacuum cleaner offers a host of functionalities that make cleaning a breeze. Here's a detailed review of the Fabuletta FSV3 VC2. The cordless design of the Fabuletta FSV3 VC2 is one of its standout features, providing users with the freedom to move around without any cord restrictions. Its lightweight construction allows for easy maneuverability around furniture, enabling users to effortlessly clean every corner of their homes. One of the most impressive aspects of this vacuum cleaner is its powerful suction. Equipped with a robust motor, the Fabuletta FSV3 VC2 effectively picks up dirt, dust, and debris from various surfaces, including hardwood floors, carpets, and rugs. Even stubborn pet hair is no match for this vacuum cleaner, ensuring thorough cleaning results that leave floors spotless. Users have also commended the Fabuletta FSV3 VC2 for its long battery life, a crucial factor for cordless vacuums. With a single charge, users have reported being able to clean their entire homes without any interruptions. The battery indicator is a convenient feature that alerts users when it's time to recharge, ensuring they never run out of power unexpectedly. Versatility is another key feature of the Fabuletta FSV3 VC2. It comes with a range of attachments and accessories to cater to different cleaning needs. The crevice tool allows users to reach tight spaces, while the brush attachment is ideal for upholstery and curtains. The dustbin is easy to empty and clean, and the filter can be easily removed and washed, ensuring optimal performance. In terms of design, the Fabuletta FSV3 VC2 boasts a sleek and modern appearance that complements any household. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, minimizing fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. The overall build quality is sturdy and durable, indicating that this vacuum cleaner is built to last. One minor drawback mentioned by users is that the dustbin capacity could be larger. While it is sufficient for regular cleaning sessions, larger debris may require more frequent emptying. Additionally, some users have found the charging time to be longer than expected, although the extended battery life compensates for this inconvenience. Overall, the Fabuletta FSV3 VC2 cordless vacuum cleaner has garnered praise for its exceptional performance and convenient features. Its cordless design, powerful suction, long battery life, and versatility make it a top contender in the market. Despite a couple of minor drawbacks, it offers great value for its price. For those in search of a reliable and efficient cordless vacuum cleaner, the Fabuletta FSV3 VC2 is certainly worth considering. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 4. VacMaster VS10801 Cordless Handheld and Stick Vacuum Cleaner 2-in-1. The VacMaster Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has proven to be a transformative addition to cleaning routines, offering the best of both worlds in a single device. This reviewer had the opportunity to test out this vacuum cleaner and was thoroughly impressed by its capabilities. The cordless design of the VS10801 offers unrivaled freedom and convenience. Without the limitations of cords, users can effortlessly move from room to room, making cleaning tasks a breeze. The powerful lithium-ion battery provides ample runtime, ensuring extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. From floors to furniture and even car interiors, this vacuum cleaner demonstrates its versatility. The standout feature of the VS10801 is its 2-in-1 functionality. As a stick vacuum, it showcases impressive suction power, effortlessly handling pet hair, dust, and debris on both hard floors and carpets. Equipped with a motorized floor brush, it delivers a thorough clean with minimal effort. Maneuvering around furniture in tight corners is effortless, thanks to the swivel steering mechanism. The handheld mode of the VS10801 shines when dealing with smaller messes or hard-to-reach areas. By detaching the handheld unit with a simple press of a button, users can access its lightweight and ergonomically designed body. Cleaning upholstery, stairs, and high corners become hassle-free tasks. The included attachments, such as the crevice tool and upholstery brush, enhance its versatility further. The VS10801 boasts an effective filtration system, featuring a HEPA filter that traps allergens and fine dust particles. This ensures a cleaner and healthier environment. The dustbin is easy to empty with its one-touch release system, and its transparent design allows users to monitor the filling level conveniently. Durability is a key consideration when investing in a vacuum cleaner, and the VacMaster VS10801 meets expectations in this regard. The solid build quality instills confidence that it can withstand regular use without issues. The battery life provides ample runtime for most cleaning needs, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. A minor drawback encountered during testing was the dustbin size, which could be slightly larger for more extensive cleaning tasks. However, this inconvenience pales in comparison to the overall performance and versatility of the VS10801. In conclusion, the VacMaster VS10801 cordless handheld and stick vacuum cleaner 2-in-1 is a remarkable cleaning companion. Its cordless design, powerful suction, and 2-in-1 functionality make it a standout performer. Whether it's a quick cleanup or a deep cleaning session, this vacuum cleaner delivers exceptional results. Bid farewell to cumbersome, corded vacuums, and embrace the convenience and efficiency of the VS10801. It is a worthwhile investment that will undoubtedly simplify any cleaning routine. Highly recommended. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 3. NC Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The NC Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has garnered high praise from customers for its exceptional performance, versatility, and convenience. With its powerful suction, lightweight design, and innovative features, this stick vacuum has become a go-to cleaning tool for many households. Customers have been particularly impressed with the vacuum's impressive power. Thanks to its 33 kPa suction and 450 W motor, it effortlessly tackles dust, debris, and pet hair on various surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and upholstery. Users have reported that the vacuum's cleaning performance is outstanding. The inclusion of an LED display has been well received by customers. The real-time information it provides, such as battery level and suction mode, allows users to monitor the cleaning process more effectively. This feature ensures that they are always aware of the remaining battery life and can plan their cleaning accordingly. The vacuum's 6-in-1 design has also received praise. It comes with a range of attachments, including a crevice tool, a brush, and a motorized floor head, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Customers appreciate the convenience of being able to easily switch between attachments to tackle different cleaning tasks. The vacuum's ability to reach tight corners, clean delicate surfaces, and remove embedded dirt has been highly valued by users. Another standout feature of the NC Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is its lightweight construction. Customers have found it easy to maneuver and carry around the house, making cleaning tasks less physically demanding. The cordless design further adds to the convenience, allowing users to move freely without the hassle of cords getting in the way. Customers have been pleased with the battery life of this vacuum. A fully charged battery provides enough power to clean an entire home without the need for recharging. The quick charging process, taking only a few hours, has also been appreciated. However, some users have mentioned that they would prefer a removable battery for easy replacement in the future. Additionally, the vacuum's dustbin has a reasonably large capacity, reducing the frequency of emptying. The one-touch button release for emptying the dustbin has been praised for its simplicity and cleanliness. Noise levels have been reported to be relatively low compared to other models on the market. While not completely silent, the vacuum operates at a tolerable noise level that doesn't disturb household members or pets. Overall, the NC Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has received high marks from users. Its powerful suction, lightweight design, versatile attachments, and user-friendly LED display make it a top choice among cordless vacuum cleaners. If you're in search of a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, this vacuum comes highly recommended. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 2. Greenworks 24V Brushless Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Greenworks Brushless Cordless Stick Vacuum is a lightweight and efficient cleaning tool that has garnered positive attention among pet owners. Its ability to tackle pet hair and dander with ease has made it a popular choice in the market. The vacuum's lightweight design allows for effortless maneuverability around the house. Whether cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, or reaching under furniture, its slim and compact form factor proves to be highly convenient. The handheld option further enhances its versatility, making quick cleanups and vacuuming upholstery a breeze. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its brushless motor. This powerful yet quiet motor provides excellent suction capabilities, effectively picking up pet hair and dirt from various surfaces. Users have found its performance comparable to more expensive models, making it a great value for the price. Equipped with a 24V lithium-ion battery, the vacuum offers a decent runtime, allowing users to clean multiple rooms before needing to recharge. The battery indicator provides real-time feedback on the remaining power, ensuring that the vacuum is always ready for use. Additionally, the charging time is relatively short, minimizing downtime. While the Greenworks Stick Vacuum offers impressive features, it does have a minor drawback. The size of the dustbin may require frequent emptying, especially for those with larger homes or multiple pets. However, the emptying process is straightforward and hygienic, making it a minor inconvenience. Maintenance of the Greenworks 24V brushless cordless stick vacuum is relatively hassle-free. The washable filter helps in maintaining optimal suction power, and the package includes additional tools, such as a crevice tool and brush attachment for added convenience. In conclusion, the Greenworks 24V brushless cordless stick vacuum is highly recommended for pet owners and individuals seeking a lightweight and efficient cleaning solution. With its strong suction power, cordless design, and reasonable price point, it delivers excellent performance. While the dustbin capacity could be larger, its maneuverability and reliability make it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a clean and pet hair-free home. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 1. Kenmore D7030 Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Kenmore Cordless Stick Vacuum proves to be an impressive cleaning tool for hardwood floors, offering exceptional performance and useful features. This lightweight cleaner has garnered positive feedback from users, showcasing its reliability in maintaining pristine floors. Let's delve into a detailed review of its key aspects. The vacuum boasts a sleek and modern design that catches the eye at first glance. Its lightweight build allows for easy maneuverability around furniture and into tight corners. Users can rest assured of its durability due to its sturdy construction, ensuring a long-lasting investment. The cordless feature of this vacuum is a game-changer, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and providing unrestricted movement. With a long-lasting battery, users can enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions across multiple rooms. One of the standout features is the 2-speed power suction capability, catering to different cleaning needs. The lower speed is ideal for light cleaning tasks, conserving battery life, while the higher speed impresses with its powerful suction, effectively eliminating dirt and debris from hardwood floors. The vacuum effortlessly handles both small and larger particles. The Kenmore D7030 cordless stick vacuum includes a built-in LED headlight, a thoughtful addition that enhances cleaning experiences. This feature proves particularly useful when cleaning in dimly lit areas or beneath furniture. The LED light illuminates the cleaning path, ensuring no dirt or dust goes unnoticed. Moreover, the 2-in-1 handheld functionality further adds to the vacuum's versatility. Users can easily transition from stick mode to handheld mode, enabling them to clean various surfaces such as upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. The provided attachments are effective in fulfilling their respective purposes. The vacuum's filtration system efficiently traps dust and allergens, making it suitable for individuals with allergies or sensitivities. Maintenance is a breeze, as the filter is easy to clean and ensures optimal performance over time. However, a couple of minor drawbacks are worth noting. The dustbin capacity is relatively small, necessitating frequent emptying during extended cleaning sessions. A slightly larger capacity would enhance convenience. Additionally, the vacuum can be noisy, particularly when operating at the higher suction speed. Users seeking quieter cleaning sessions may need to consider this aspect. In conclusion, the Kenmore D7030 cordless stick vacuum is a commendable choice for owners of hardwood floors. Its lightweight design, powerful suction, LED headlight, and 2-in-1 functionality make it a versatile and efficient cleaning tool. Despite minor drawbacks like the small dustbin capacity and noise level, this vacuum delivers excellent performance and proves to be a reliable companion in maintaining clean hardwood floors. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. There you have it, folks, the top 5 best cordless vacuum lightweight cleaners 2-in-1 handheld for hardwood floors. Whether you prioritize power, flexibility, or eco-friendliness, there's a vacuum on this list to meet your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, happy cleaning!